A new global race has begun. But this time, the prize isn't gold, oil, or territory. It's artificial intelligence. Across the world, two superpowers are investing hundreds of billions of dollars to build smarter machines, faster computers, and the next generation of technology. From powerful AI data centers to advanced semiconductor chips and cutting-edge research laboratories, the United States and China are competing to shape the future of innovation. The outcome of this race could transform economies, industries, and everyday life for billions of people. But who is really leading? And what does this mean for the rest of the world? This is the story of the new AI race. Artificial intelligence is no longer a technology of the future. It is already transforming the world around us. Every day, AI answers millions of customer questions, helps doctors detect diseases earlier, assists programmers in writing software, and protects banks by identifying fraudulent transactions in real time. Unlike humans, AI systems can work around the clock, processing enormous amounts of information within seconds. As these technologies become faster, smarter, and more affordable, businesses across every industry are adopting them at an unprecedented pace. This rapid shift is changing the way we work, creating new opportunities, while also raising important questions about the future of employment. The real question is no longer whether AI will change our jobs, but how quickly this transformation will reach every workplace around the world. As artificial intelligence becomes more capable, some jobs are changing faster than ever before. Repetitive tasks such as data entry, customer support, and routine administrative work are increasingly being automated by intelligent systems. In factories, robots can assemble products with incredible speed and precision, while AI-powered software helps businesses make faster decisions. Even industries like transportation, finance, and healthcare are being transformed by automation. But this doesn't mean every job will disappear. History has shown that every major technological revolution creates new careers alongside new challenges. As AI continues to evolve, the greatest advantage will belong to people who learn new skills, adapt to change, and discover new ways to work alongside intelligent machines. The future of work is not simply about replacement, it's about transformation.
While artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, history shows that technology often creates new opportunities alongside new challenges. AI is becoming a powerful partner, helping doctors make faster diagnoses, enabling engineers to design more advanced machines, supporting teachers with personalized learning, and allowing scientists to solve problems that once seemed impossible. Across every industry, the most valuable skill is no longer simply doing repetitive tasks, but learning how to work alongside intelligent technology. The future will belong to those who continue to adapt, develop new skills, and use AI as a tool to unlock human creativity. In the end, the greatest advantage will always remain human imagination, curiosity, and innovation. Artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful technologies ever created. It has the potential to transform industries, solve complex global challenges, and improve billions of lives. But like every great invention in history, its true impact will depend on how humanity chooses to use it. The future is not a battle between humans and machines. It is a future where human creativity, wisdom, and innovation work together with artificial intelligence to build a better world. The AI revolution has already begun. The only question is, are we ready for it? If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to NovaScope and join us as we explore the technologies shaping tomorrow.